Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Today, trying to stay warm in Columbus, Ohio at my cousin's place. Today's Tuesday, but we're about to have our Sunday afternoon treat, pizza from Walmart. We have forgot to set the timer, so we're going to use our backup timer. Let me show you our backup timer for our pizza cooking in the oven. There it is there, our backup timer. Also known as a smoke detector. When this pizza gets right, perfect, it'll start smoking. That smoke will fill up the ceiling. That backup timer will go off. Then we'll get our pizza.
On it, and I put.
That's an awesome rim right there.
Yeah, that's that neat little spare that they put on there.
Well, you know, it's hard to get anything past that caliper, so I can imagine. I've never seen an S60R spare. So here's an S60R with an excess of 427,000 miles on it. And the gentleman up here in Columbus is the proud owner. If you have an S60R with more miles, give us a holler on the website so we can verify. Send a picture of the odometer or whatnot. It's got the manual, so that'll last forever. And he's having a good time with this thing. Look at that Swedish boxing glove. S60R. Let me get the R there without the license plate. Oh wow, he's got a couple of nostalgic badges on it, the 100 and the 200, and he's got the high mileage Heritage Club badge. And somebody out there has some 300,000 and 400,000 mile badges that they need to put out there so he can find them on the Volvo form or something. Being in near gridlock traffic, where's Robert? Yo, anybody recognize that skyline? Got some gridlock traffic, 2 miles an hour, overcast skies, got a dark brown building there. Is this a motorist's? That's the skyline we're at right now. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.